Stop printing, signing, and scanning documents just to get a contract finalized. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to add a professional digital signature to any PDF contract using WPS Office, helping you save time and effort. If you haven't installed WPS Office yet, or need the latest version, check the official download link at the top of the description. Thanks for supporting the channel by using this link, and let's get your contract signed. First, open your PDF contract in WPS Office. You want to look for the tab at the top that says Fill and Sign, or simply Sign. It's usually located right near the Protect tab. Click on that to make signing straightforward and accessible. You will see a button labeled Create Signature. Click it and a window will pop up giving you a few options. You can type your name and choose a font style, draw it with your mouse or trackpad, or upload a photo of your signature, making the process simple and customizable for you. Once you're happy with how it looks, click OK. Now, your signature is attached to your cursor. Just scroll down to the signature line on your contract, click to drop it in place, and resize it if needed. And just like that, your document is signed and ready to be emailed back. If this video helped you save time, please support the channel by liking the video. Remember, the WPS Office download link is in the description to help you get started quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.